Oyo State, His Excellency Senator Doe Diri.
Till 2027.
Chairman, I'm still acting. Let me present you to the world. Okay, as the chairman pro tempore. Well, since our former acting national chairman has taken the oath of office now, me as the acting chairman for this purpose, I will now hand over to Ambassador Iliya Damagum, who is now the national chairman of our great party, PDP. So they will give the acceptance speech now.
Thank you very much. Well, I want to use this opportunity to thank every one of you who have made this possible today. Before now, I thought all we were doing were not being appreciated. This gesture is not to only me, but to the entire NWC, because I owe it to them to have navigated this party this far. I want to remind us that we came at a time when things are very hard, but to the glory of the Lord, we still are intact, one indivisible party. And no doubt this has precipitated this gesture. I thank all NEC members, all PDP members that are here and at home. Thank you very much, Sir.
my colleagues, the governors of the PDP, governors of Adamawa, Bayelsa, Zamfara, Oyo, and Oshun, and of course, apologies that were effectively delivered by the governors of Taraba, Enugu, and Plateau. Taraba had to leave just now because of a very pressing appointment in Lagos. That of Enugu is hosting the MBA, about 20 to 30,000 guests, and he took permission. And of course, that of Enugu is on the federal government delegation to Brazil. Plateau, sorry. So their absence here is not a show that they have defected or they are defecting. We are all behind you as governors, working with the National Working Committee, the BOT, and other organs of the party. We had a meeting in Zamfara where we invited all the organs, discussed very well on the challenges of the party, the challenges on democracy and democratic practices, and also deepened peer review mechanism where we learn from each other so that we can provide dividend of democracy away from the shenanigans of rhetorics and polemics that is pervading the political space. We are doing very well, very hard to ensure that we make our party the darling of Nigerians, where we have shown reticence, capacity, and of course unity between us. We are really eschewing all temptations and also navigating some of the challenges that most of you are aware. The challenges even within the National Working Committee, so that we can cautiously and cleverly navigate to convention. All the remaining issues of the various congresses have been resolved by the Working Committee with the help of the governors and other elders. Today, I would say all the communications to NEC have been signed by our National Working Committee, and that we don't have any disparaging issue. So we are navigating, and we are working very well. And of course, we will do our best to ensure that this party remains united. We must thank our founding fathers. They have been doing very well, exercising restraint and even accommodating our excesses, even our party elders. At the state level, especially our chairman. But I must say and warn that we have had some remote information that some of our party leaders at the state level may be penetrated by security agencies so that they can cause disaffection. So please, we must remain united. This is the party to be. And we know you have always provided the fortress for us, and that's where to go. We thank you. We'll do our best to make sure that as governors, we give whatever support that we can do. The zoning committee has met under the governor of Bayelsa, and the report will be tabled to do today by the chairman himself. And of course, the convention committee is there. So we are on the path to really establishing ourselves as a party that has no encumbrances, that has level playing field for Nigerians to actualize their aspirations. We thank you so far for the support you are giving us as governors, giving the NWC, the BOT, and we will make sure that we will not take you for granted. Thank you very much.
PDP officers of National Assembly, let me mention former Senate President, His Excellency, the Governor of Oyo State, His Excellency Senator Ademola Jackson Adeleke, the Deputy Senator Comrade Abamoru, House of Reps Minority Leader, Right Honorable Kinsley Chinda, Deputy National Chairman South,